Dear CA Inter students, this is regarding the chapter number 9, Audit of Different Entities. Many students are asking, ma'am, how to study this particular chapter? So this is a short video addressing the same. So if you see the audit of different entities, there are a lot of audit, right? Around 14 to 15 audits. So for the ease, I'm just splitting this into 3 parts, right? So first part, we will go with the specific entity. Audit of cinema, hotel, hospital, education, charitable, club, NGOs. In these 7 audits, first and foremost, there are specific points, specific points. Like say for example, in audit of cinema, there are specific points like payment to distributors, ticket collection should be reconciled, entertainment tax, etc. Same way, with respect to audit of hotels, there is kitchen order tickets, pilferage and leakage. So for all these 7 audits, you can identify the specific points and study that well, very well. Then there are certain common points also, like study the constitution, depreciation, certain expenses, etc. So like that, first finish off the specific points well. At times, questions can be asked mainly with respect to specific points. Say for example, one of the RTP questions is, how do you check the pilferage and leakage of the hotels? So based on the past exam trend, RTP and MTP, questions are not asked like, how do you do audit of hotel as such, but specifically, how do you verify the pilferage, or how do you examine the receipts of patients from the hospital? So do well the specific points rather than studying it generally. So that's regarding the first part of the chapter, the 7 audit. I'm repeating: cinema, hotel, hospital, education, charitable, trust, NGO. Now moving to the second part, which is regarding the government audit. Government audit is divided into 2 parts. Government audit, which is comprising of both union as well as state, plus the local body. With respect to government audit has, role of C&AG, duties of C&AG, rights of C&AG, link it with law and study. In this, very important is audit of government, revenue, expenditure, audit of stores and stock. Do it well. And with respect to local body audit, there is objective of local body audit, which is past exam question repeatedly asked. Now that's with respect to government audit. Now moving to the last part, which is other topic, miscellaneous. Sole trader, which is very small kutty topic. Then firm, that's again small topic, but in that there is one of the point, there are chances of being asked, and it was once asked in the exam also, matters to be considered while doing audit of firm and matters to be considered before accepting the audit of firm. Both these things has to be studied well. Then audit of LLP, that's important. Then hire purchase and lease, link it with AS 19, difference between operating lease and financial lease. Then you have the trust and societies, which is a newly added topic. And finally, going to the important part, which is audit of cooperative society. See, with respect to cooperative society, we have 2 societies, which is usual cooperative society and which one? Multi-state cooperative society. First and foremost, understand the difference between these 2. And for this particular topic, which is, I would say it is very specific topic, like who can be appointed as auditor, what are the books to be maintained. There are many restrictions, specific topic it is, and it is more act driven also. Okay, unlike the first part, like audit of hotel, hospital, education, which is more general, whereas audit of cooperative society is specific. So that has to be done well. So if you see audit of different entities as a whole, that particular chapter is volume, I do agree. But if you split and do it in a proper, smart way, that chapter is easy. So if you have any further doubts with respect to same, you can get in touch with me. So wishing you all the best. God bless.